guys, tomorrow's Bat and Bear show is going to be huge. We have some giveaways coming up, and this is the video to comment below to enter, because you know, type in the names or asking you guys to comment to enter is pretty annoying. So we're gonna do it like this: you comment on this video, and drawings will be on tomorrow's show. We'll have Make It Wayne hot sauce as one of the giveaways. For that, I will require you to be watching the show to win. If you're not in the chat, I will choose another winner. But the seeds you can win even if you're not there. We will have a seed pack giveaway every 15 minutes of the show. So we usually go for, what, 2 hours? So comment below, enter, tune in tomorrow, win some seeds, seed pack every 15 minutes. And if that's not enough, we have our good friend Julian ACOSTA. He's gonna try one of my last death spiral peppers tomorrow, so that's gonna be interesting. And also maybe a guest appearance by Brandon S., which is hopefully have a surprise related to him coming up tomorrow. So stay tuned, and good luck. Happy holidays, guys. Merry Christmas. Thank you.